Welcome to my YouTube channel Danish's AI Corner. Fatty fish, omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, which is essential for brain health and has been linked to improved memory. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, blueberries have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. They may also help delay age-related memory decline. Broccoli, vitamin K and choline. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. It also contains choline, a nutrient that supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and mood. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, iron, copper, and zinc, which play roles in brain health. These minerals contribute to nerve signaling and have antioxidant properties. Dark chocolate, flavonoids, caffeine. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. The combination of these compounds may improve memory and provide short-term brain-boosting effects. Eggs, choline. Eggs are a good source of choline, a nutrient that is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is important for mood and memory regulation. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet, along with maintaining a healthy lifestyle and staying physically active, can contribute to overall brain health and improved memory. Remember, individual nutritional needs can vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice.